everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your PayPal account using a mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log into your PayPal account, first make sure that you've downloaded the application on your mobile device. You can also do this using a web browser on a desktop. Tap open your PayPal application once you've got the app, and from the first interface of PayPal to log in into an existing account, click Login at the bottom left. Enter your email and your password in the text boxes on the next page to get access to your account. Make sure to enter your credentials correct, and make sure to enter the same credential that you created while registering or signing up for PayPal. Once you type in your email address, type in your password on the next field. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on Forgot Password link right at the corner of the password box. If you've not registered yourself for PayPal and you'd like to do that first, tap on New to PayPal, Sign Up link, and follow the on-screen prompts in order to register yourself first. Finally, after entering your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, tap the Login button in blue at the bottom. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your PayPal account right away. Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.